ಬರದ್ರಾ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಕರ್ಸು ಸರ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಮ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Is my screen visible online, guys? Sorry, I was late today due to traffic jam. Come fast. Sit. Aita, done. Have you guys changed the authorized URLs? Have you guys changed the authorized redirect URLs to these two URLs? Authorized redirect URLs which you had written in the credentials. Correct? If you want me to do it again, I'll just delete this credential. Okay? I'll just delete this credential. Now I'll create a credential. OAuth client ID. Okay? I'm creating a new credential. Application type should be web application. ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಡಾದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಸರಿ. Here authorized redirect URLs. I wanted you to take these two URLs. Control C, paste, add URI, take this. PST means it is postman. Paste it here. Okay, then click on create. I am creating a new OAuth client ID. Okay na? OAuth client ID is created. Now what you have to do, copy this client ID, go to the postman. Here you have to paste the client ID. Correct? And the client secret. And this client secret. Correct? This is what we have done, right?
Yes.
Yes or no, maybe?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now click on get a new access token. Shall I click? Yesterday we were having some issue, right? It was redirecting 401 was coming, right? So I'll click on create new access. Now it will go back to your sign in page. Did you all get your sign in page? Did you all get your sign in page? When you click on create a new access token, you got your sign in page. Now whatever email ID which you had provided while creating the OAuth consent screen, some TP Tejas 003, your email ID, select that particular email ID. Select that particular email. This is only once, huh? This is only once. One time job. Okay? You need to select it. What it will give you? You have been given access to the being tested. You should be able to continue if you know the developer that invited you. Okay? Click on continue. Click on continue. Again click on continue. Your call is authenticated. Your call is authenticated. Go back to postman. Oh, make sure your browser allows pop-up. Always allow the pop-ups and notifications. Click on done. Okay? There is a pop-up blocker which needs to be enabled. Click on done. Aita, refresh it again. Let's see. It will open. Authentication completed. Adaita. Banta. Now your access token is generated. Client ID, client secret was already there, which was generated by the developer. Your authentication access token, OAuth2 token, is generated, which is nothing but here. Previously it was blank. This is nothing but your SIP token. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನೇದಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀನು ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now if you send any such kind of URL or this, whether you are which access is this? No requesting account. Developer de le click on send. You will get 200. You will get 200. Whether you have access or not, that's fine. But you got to know what is OAuth 2.0.
Yes, sir.
How do you generate the SIP token
Yes.
for the Google APIs? Arthaita? So this is your authorization. Where is that? Where is that? Even again, if I do get a new access token, it will go back. You have to choose this. Then again, you have to click on open. Hello?
Now it is like for manual testing.
This is your access token.
We will do only UI testing. Whatever that.
Yeah, Manja? ಮರಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಗ್ರೆನೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಮೂಟೆ ಇದೆ ಟೋಕನ್.
Repeat once.
This is your access token. Use the token. Aita, when you use the token has been successfully added to the headers. Bearer. When you click on the token, when you click on use token, in the headers tab, you will have the bearer token which was generated to your request. Understood? Shall I do it again?
Yes,
The entire thing again. If you miss out now, then go in the. Huh? I will
Okay,
not.
sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm deleting all the things which was done yesterday. Okay, I'm just deleting the OAuth. ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ. Okay, I'm deleting the credentials which was developed yesterday. I'm also creating
That is screenshot.
ID screenshot.
Okay, I'll create a new project itself. I'll create a new project. You have to open console.cloud.google.com. You have to open console.cloud.google.com. ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮಾಡಿ 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 console.cloud.google.com. ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡು. ನೀನು ಗೂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Shall I start? Shall I start? Okay, this is your home page. This is your home page, right? If there is
ಇಲ್ಲ bro, ಅದು ID
New project. Now repeat whatever I am doing. Okay. New project. Watch everyone. New project. Sorry. Sorry, online. Okay. I'm repeating the entire class of yesterday for the OAuth 2. How do you generate the bearer token and use the bearer token? Okay. First, this is the normal procedure if you are using Google API. If it is some other application, they have their own procedure. Okay. I'm not telling this is the one which you are going to do in your day-to-day activities. No. This is a procedure to use the Google APIs. Google has many APIs. Map, platform, SDK, Drive, Gmail, cloud services. There are many things. I am showing you how to use those. How to generate the OAuth 2 token for the Gmail, because it is a secured login. It's a real-time application. I have to show you something on the real-time application. OAuth 2 cannot be done for the dummy application. It cannot be done. Okay. In order to create or use the token of the Google, we have to create a project where in the console.cloud.google.com you have to create a project. By default, the project name will be some random thing, or if you want to give it, you can give your own project. Rest assured API. Okay, now click on create. Aita, here it will be creating a project. Okay. Now select the recently created project from the drop down. Here there will be a drop down here. Click on that. By default, the previous project will be selected. Check mark. Right? Select the first one. Or click on it. It will open up. So the recently created project will appear in the drop down here. Did you all guys get this? Banta, first step, creating a project is completed. Now, click on the dashboard. Let me know if I am fast. I want to match your intensity. No, wait. Click on the dashboard. Wait, madana.
Initially we got that. Now it is not. So inside that we need to go.
Dashboard create చేస్తానే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇది డాష్బోర్డ్. ఓకే, చూడు అక్కడ. ఓకే, click on the API. See this. Do it. Along with me, do it. There is an API and services there. ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ತಾನೆ ನೀನು ಎತ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ನಿನ್ನ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ತಾನೆ. There is an API and services, right? In that you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. Correct?
Yes.
Select the fourth option, OAuth consent screen. Click on it. Click on that. Click that.
Yes, sir.
You got this type, internal and external selection of the type.
Yes.
Right? Internal is already grayed out. Okay? You are an external user. Click on external, select this external and click on create. Yes, step by step ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Application name. Give any application name, Gmail, your wish. User support email. The email ID which you have logged in. Correct? Okay, scroll down. Don't want logo, don't want domain, nothing. Developer info. The same email ID. Is it correct? Done. Did you enter the email ID which you have logged in?
You need to modify that.
Because assuming that you are the developer. Assuming that you are the developer. Simple?
Yes, sir.
So far clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone are on the same page?
Yes, sir.
Click on save and continue. Click that.
Yes, sir.
Sir also.
Okay. Give some other name for the application. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you get an error, then change the application name. Save and continue. Aita. When you save and continue, the two should be highlighted. The first one should be in the tick mark. And oi. Rename the application name. Scroll up. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 something. The application name should be unique. Alla, Gmail 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also is fine. Done? Aita. 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 हो गया. Over. Done. Everyone on the same page. Okay.
Okay.
हो गया. Okay. Add or remove scopes. Add or remove scopes. So the same scope, whichever we have discussed yesterday, whether you want to give read-only access, write access to some of the platforms of Google, it depends on you. I usually take labels. Where is label? Somewhere it will be there. I have the URL of label. So what I will do is, gmail.labels. Gmail ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, there are no Okay, if it is not there, no, do one thing. Manually add the scopes. Below write this particular URL, googleapis.com/auth-gmail.labels. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Manually write ಮಾಡಿ. Manually enter this. Otherwise, no, it's okay even if you don't enter it manually also. Listen here. See, you have all these APIs, right? I'll just select 100 in one particular thing. Scroll down, whichever you like, whichever is the requirement. Already on the last page, 100. Oh, idರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು Gmail. Find and enable the API. Oh, okay, this is not yet enabled. Okay, I'll click on this Google API libraries. Wait. Huh?
No internet.
There is some issue with the Google APIs. Leave it. It's okay. Add it manually. Okay, add it to the table. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. See, enter this manually here. You enter this. Click on add to table. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ?
Network is not
ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡು. Save and continue. Second, add on English codes. If everyone have typed it, then it's fine. I shall proceed. Add to table. Click on add to table. Error. Why? Because
Retrieving the policy.
ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಂದು ಆಯ್ತು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ನಂದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಿ ಆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಬಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ it should be HTTPS sir. Okay, even if you are not getting no, take some other API wherever, but be careful that you have to add the same API whenever you are in the Postman also. If you don't have the API scope, whatever you are defining here should be added in the Postman. As simple as that. Nice. Going back to OAuth consent screen. OAuth consent screen. This is done. The first step is done. Scope. Add or remove scopes. Okay, here I think now you should get. Yeah, Bandila. Okay, it's okay. Type this manually. Click on add to table. It is added to table. Click on update. Now here it is updated. Okay. Click on save and continue. It should save and continue. Okay. Everyone are in the third page. Banta niya. Link beka. Adu buy biಟ್ಟು ಇದು dot labels ಇರಬೇಕು. This one you type it manually and add it. Or select anyone here. It's okay. Select anyone. Just that your consent screen is created ashte. Done? Aita? ಯಾವ year pass? 19.
Taken. You just send it to me. Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಆಮೇಲೆ? ನೀನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Not getting
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಯಾವ
Google www.http
ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
one more. Yes, now
ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್
it will add and update.
12 lakhs Yes, it.
You are going
Yeah.
new one.
Done. This is done. On the third screen, add users. The same email ID. Your email ID, not this email ID. Aisa, click on add. Okay, you will have this user information here. Here. Correct. When you click on add users, that user whichever you have added will come over here. Clear? Got it? ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay, click on save and continue.
ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು.
Then you will get the summary. Over. Back to dashboard. This is second step. First step was to create a project. Aita. Second step is to create the consent screen. On the left hand side, you see credentials there. Hey, sure. Aita. Hey, Sumila. Amle ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Credentials. You have to create a client ID and a client secret ID for the OAuth 2. Correct?
Which one? This one.
I'll click on credentials. You see API key OAuth 2 dot client IDs and service accounts. ಹೌದಾ? Create credentials. Click on create credentials. ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾ, ಇದು credentials ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್. ಅದಾದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್.
Don't know English. Don't know English.
No, it is common. That's why.
ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is the password for my Wi-Fi. ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ತಾನೇ ಸ್ಯಾಪಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ
Are you applying?
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಬುದಾಬಿಗೆ?
Yeah, why are you asking sir like that?
Before I saw you have some temple.
Because
ಯಾವ ತರ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ
our
ನೀವು?
side,
ಹೋಗೋದಾ?
our place
Okay,
is
now you got the screen. Internet is slow. You got the screen?
yes sir.
Everyone?
Yes sir.
Here, select the application type as web application. All others, leave it. It's okay. Let the web client name, let everything be the same. Here, authorized redirect URIs, not the JavaScript origins. Authorized redirect URIs. Add the URI. Today morning I gave you 2 URI on of this.
Take screenshot.
Copy this. Browser hyphen callback. Whenever the postman calls to that particular API or your client ID, it will redirect it back to the postman using the authorization code. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೆಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಡೌನ್. ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ URI. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. https OAuth.pstmn.io/v1/browser-callback callback. No need to remember, this redirect URLs will be given by the developers. It has to be given by the developers. You cannot do anything in this. Right? The reason why I am doing this is to generate one token. Otherwise, our token works like this. Go.
Manually open. After getting your
Done. Copy this. Copy this. I am going to paste it here. Again, add URI. The second one. This one. Either this or that. I don't know which postman is using. Let's see. I tried with both works fine. I did not do any experiment. Remove one, then check, then come back. I don't have so much of time. Both. Browser badu only callback. Okay. I'm going to paste it here. Click on create. Whenever you create it, your client ID and secret ID will be generated. This one. Easy? Simple. 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 Hey, yaro dimple. Dimple. Aita.